Good morning to everyone. I am Karthikeyan from School of Engineering. In this lecture, EC 8551 Communication Networks, the Unit 1 Fundamentals and Link Layers. So, the previous lecture, we are discussing the different error detection and correction methods. Now, in the error detection and correction control method, there are number of codes are used to detect the errors and control the errors. Here, the previous sessions we have to discuss the linear block code and convolutional code. Now, in this lecture, we are going to discuss about the topic cyclic code. Now, the cyclic code is a parity method detect only odd numbers of errors. Okay, to overcome this, polynomial code error detection method is used. The polynomial code involves generating check bit in the form of cyclic redundancy code. Therefore, the polynomial also called a cyclic code or cyclic redundancy code (CRC). The theory of polynomial code is derived from a branch of mathematics is called a algebra theory. The theory of cyclic redundancy code checksum is developed by using the algebra and polynomial. These polynomial are equation which have the form of power of x. So now x power of n plus x power of n minus 1 with the LSB side x power of 2 plus x power of 1 plus x power of 0. In this polynomial code are used to with a frame transmission scheme. A single set of check digit is generated from each frame transmitted based on the content of frame and is operand by the transmitter to tail of the frame. The receiver then perform a similar computation of complete frame and check digit if no errors have been induced. It is known as the result of polynomial. If the different answer is found in it indicates an error. Now the considered the polynomial of binary values the represent the data bit is called the message polynomial. Now the cyclic property of code word is then cyclic shift of a code word is also a code word. The cyclic forward flow this cyclic property for a linear code C, if every code word is therefore C is equal to C1, C2, etc. Cn. In C1 to C1, C2 and Cn from C as a cyclic right shift of components. It become a code word. The shift of right is equal to n minus 1 cyclic left shift. Hence, it is a invariant under any shift. So, the linear code C has a invariant under any shift. It is called as a cyclic code. The cyclic code are used for error correction. They are mainly used to correct double errors and burst errors. Okay. Now, the second one. These codes are popular for two main reasons. First, they are very effective for error detection and correction, and second, they possess many algebraic property that simply the encoding and decoding implementations. A code C is said to a cyclic. Number 1, C is a linear code. Number 2, whenever a right or left shift is performed on any code word, it another code word. Therefore, whenever C is equal to the binary values of 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, hence the C is a cyclic. Now, the cyclic code are useful in number 1 is a shift register. Number 2, on the theoretical side, the cyclic code can be investigated by means of algebraic theory of rings and polynomials. So, description of cyclic code: if the components of n tuple are cyclically shifted one place to the right, we obtained another tuple which is called a cyclic shift of. Clearly, the cyclic shift of obtained by moving the rightmost digit of to the leftmost digit and moving every other digit one position to the right. Now, finally, the shifting the components of cyclically places to the right, the redundant n tuples word would be simultaneously. Now, What are the advantages and disadvantages of cyclic code? The advantages are they are easy to encode, and second one, they process as well defined mathematical structure which has led to develop a very effective decoding scheme for them. Number third one is the methods that are used to be for error detection and correction are simpler and easy to implementation. These methods do not need lookup tables decoding. And finally, the fifth one is it is possible to detect the errors burst using the cyclic code. So these are the list of advantages in cyclic code error detection and correction methodology. And what are the drawback of cyclic code? Even though the error detection is simpler, the error correction is slightly more complicated. This is due to complexity of combination of logic circuit used for error correction in communication network. So in this lecture, we are briefly discuss about the cyclic code and how to the cyclic code we are correct the errors and detect the fault to and the what are the advantages and disadvantages of cyclic code. So now the next section we have to discuss the complete set of error detection and correction. We are using the block code and convolutional code and cyclic code to find out the error and how to detect and how to recover the original message in the communication network medium. Thank you for watching this video.